Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Trello for project management. So let's get right into it. Now, to start a project or to manage a project in Trello, you should create your own board in your workspace, which is, well, relating to that project you're currently on. As you can see, I have a web dev board currently open, and I have some lists over here, and you're going to want to actually make a list depending on what you're currently doing, what steps of the project you're gonna be accomplishing or trying to accomplish, and mainly the lists should be your big sort of goals or deliverables that you want to achieve. For example, some big steps, some milestones. You should create a list for that. Let's say milestone 1 for this tutorial. And now what you're going to want to do is add cards for each step of the project or of the milestone. You're going to add a card, let's say card 1, card 2, card 3, and as you can see now I have all of these cards. I could also create a template if I wanted to, or I could collapse the list like so, and you just click on it to uncollapse it, call it whatever you want. Here in the three dots you can customize the color of that card or that list. You can copy the list, add a card. You can automate it when a card is added to the list. Do something, everyday sort list by this and this. Create a rule. You can do whatever you want in that manner. Then you can also edit the cards. Just click on whichever card you want to edit. And then you can enter a description, you can write comments, you can add members to a card, you can label the card, you can add a checklist, a date, an attachment, location, whatever you want, and that is all relating to the details of the task at hand. So for example, I'll just write in the description for task 1, and let's say save that, and as you can see that is the official description. I can always click edit to change it. I'll write comment 1 and I'll uncheck watch, and as you can see I have made a comment again, and you can delete or react to comments if you want to. You can edit them as well, add as many comments as you like, and you can show the details. And as I mentioned, you can label it, for example priority 1, create a new label, color it red, and click create, and as you can see it has been labeled priority 1, and that is basically the basics of your Trello board, and that is pretty much all you can use to manage your project. You can, as I mentioned, add different people to your boards, add different people to different cards and different lists. You can even view it as a table, as a calendar. You have all of these views available to you if you're a premium user. You also have power-ups, which are sort of add-ons. You have automation functionalities, you have filters. Pretty much whatever you want, you can just play around with it and manage your project as best as you can. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.